Hello, it's Monica and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. It is Monday, so it is time for personalized card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 18th birthday butterfly card and a matching photo frames. For all my projects today, I use Floral Feelings paper pad. It has beautiful florals and ombre backgrounds, and I thought it would be perfect for spring theme birthday card. To create a shape and base for my card, I use Exquisite butterfly, create a card from Crafter's Companion, and to die cut my base, I use 300 GSM white card. And I absolutely love this die. If you haven't seen my Mother's Day card with the butterfly, you can check the link in the top right corner. As you can see, I'm going to die cut those panels from those beautiful paper parts. These are absolutely stunning and they will give me lots of interest on my card. Whenever you use any cutting dies on your card, I really encourage you to use low tack tape, and to create the base I'm just going to score my 300 GSM card in half, and yes, we do have a card base. I always die cut one more panel that will go on the front, and then using the design papers I've got the background with florals and that ombre with the floral and beautiful swirls. To put all those elements together, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because it is perfect for literally any paper craft project. And I wonder, how often do you make shape cards? Have you ever made a card in the shape of a butterfly? If you have, please let me know in the comments down below and leave the link, because I would absolutely love to see your amazing creation. And when this is done, there's literally we just have to add a sentiment and our card will be nearly done. And what I really wanted for this project, to make it even more special, I was asked to create 2 photo frames, and what I did, I used exactly the same floral background panel because I wanted all the elements to match. And as you can see, the whole card goes together really quickly because we literally use the same shape. And yes, this time I actually decided not to use any Distress Oxide inks. Now I've got some Tattered lace and Tonic Studio cutting dies, and I use gold mirror card to die cut all those elements. And I decided to put 18 in the top left corner and then name Zosia exactly in the middle of my butterfly. And to make sure that everything is spaced evenly, I started with the middle letter first, then I'm going to the right side and then left side. And this way you will always make sure that all the letters or numbers are evenly spaced, so I really encourage you to do exactly the same in your projects. If you do make easel cards or shape cards, please let me know what is your totally favorite shape. There's lots of space to write the sentiment inside, and now I'm going to show you what I did with the other design papers. So I created a photo frame. I used some acetate. The frame is 2 centimeters deep on all the sides, and I use that cutting die from Xcut, and all the names of the products I use in today's video are in the description down below, so you can check them out. I made sure I left some space to write the message. We can open the frame to stick the photo in, then we can adhere it. And what's really good about these photo frames, you can actually put them on a flat surface, or if you want, you can add a little bit of string and literally hang them on the wall. The choice is absolutely yours. When the person who requested those projects saw them, she was absolutely amazed and she was like, these are so beautiful. And I wonder, what do you think about this project? Would you like to give it a go? Or if you want me to show you how to create those photo frames, let me know in the comments down below so I can create a tutorial for you. So again, we have a look at those beautiful florals and swirls on the butterfly card, and literally the project is done. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because every Monday and Thursday I've got videos on my channel. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye for now!